In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add background in Photopea. We're going to take a subject that already has a transparent background and place it over a new background image, all inside your browser. This is perfect for product shots, portraits, or thumbnails where you want a clean, custom scene behind your main subject. Start by opening Photopea in your web browser. Load your subject image that has no background. You can go to File and choose Open, or simply drag and drop the file into the workspace. A quick way to confirm the image is transparent is to look for the gray and white checkerboard behind it. If you see that pattern, you're good to go. If you see solid white, that means the image isn't transparent, and you'll want to use a properly cut out version of your subject for the best results. Next, bring in your background. Choose File, then Open in Place, and select the background image you want to use. Open in Place adds the image directly into your current project as a new layer, so you won't be switching documents. Pick a background that's close to your canvas size and high enough resolution to avoid blur when you scale it. If your subject suddenly disappears, don't worry. That just means the background layer landed on top. Head to the Layers panel on the right. Think of layers like stacked sheets. Whatever's higher is more visible. Click and drag the background layer below your subject layer. As soon as the subject layer sits above, your subject will appear in front again. You can use the little eye icons to briefly toggle visibility and double check which layer is which. Now make the background fit the canvas. With the background layer selected, go to Edit and choose Free Transform, or press Ctrl+T on Windows or Command+T on a Mac. You'll see corner handles around the background. Drag a corner to scale it up or down until it fills the entire canvas. Keep an eye on proportions to avoid stretching. By default, Photopea preserves the aspect ratio, so you can just drag a corner smoothly. Press Enter or Return to apply the change. If you need to nudge the background into place, switch to the Move tool by pressing V and drag it until everything looks balanced. If the background looks soft when enlarged, try a higher resolution version. If it's too large, simply scale it down until it fits neatly. That's all there is to it. Your subject on top, your background underneath, and a quick resize to make it all fit. You now have a clean, layered composition ready for your design or social post.